So guess what? It looks like DJI isn't waiting till November after all. New reports are hinting that the Osmo Action 6 could drop way sooner, possibly on October 24. Yeah, that's right. We might be seeing DJI's next action cam before the Osmo Mobile 8, Mic 3 Pro, or even the Neo 2, which everyone thought were locked in for that rumored triple November release. And hey, if you love staying ahead on all these DJI updates, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, about the Action 6. We've already seen those FCC images floating around months ago, showing off the design from every angle. So this launch date rumor feels pretty believable, and while the specs haven't changed, they're still wild enough to run through quickly. 1-inch CMOS for way better image quality, huge dynamic range, rumored 13.5 plus stops, shoot 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, or 4K at 120 frames per second for slow-mo. Rocksteady 4.0 plus AI horizon steady for level shots every time. 10-bit D-Log-M for professional color grading. Pair with Apple Watch or Garmin for remote control and live stats overlay. 47 gigs built-in storage plus microSD support. Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6 for faster transfers and live streaming. Standard 1770 or Pro 1950 mAh battery, over 4 hours of 4K recording. Waterproof up to 18 to 20 meters, no case needed. Dual OLED touchscreens and a slightly bigger body to fit the new sensor. Now, DJI's US situation is getting complicated. They're not banned yet, but things are heating up thanks to a new FCC rule tied to the agency's covered list. Basically, this list includes companies that are considered potential national security risks, and if DJI ends up on it, which could happen by the end of 2025, they'd be barred from getting FCC equipment authorizations. In plain terms, that means they wouldn't be allowed to sell any new products in the US that use wireless tech like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And that wouldn't just hit drones, it'd impact everything from the Osmo Action 6 to the Osmo Pocket and Osmo Mobile lineup. DJI is already playing it safe. Remember how the Mavic 5 Pro skipped a US launch? Some even claim DJI has been using shell brands to get FCC approval quietly. Security researcher Conrad says at least 9 suspected shell companies have popped up since early 2024. Names like Skyani, Cogito, Jovastar, and Lino Dynamics. But the FCC vote on October 28th represents a strategic checkmate against DJI's shell company workaround. So while the Osmo Action 6 might still make it to store shelves this month, the real question is, for how long? Future models could face delays, lose wireless features, or maybe even show up under totally different names. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.